Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream on Kick with OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. 1. Get your Kick stream key. Go to kick.com and log into your account. Click on your profile picture, top right, and select Creator Dashboard. In the left menu, go to Settings, Stream Key. Copy your stream. Keep it private. 2. Set up OBS Studio for Kick. Open OBS Studio. Click Settings, bottom right. Go to Stream Settings. Under Service, select Custom. In Server enter rtmp://live.kick.com/app. In Stream Key, paste the Kick stream key you copied earlier. Click Apply and OK. 3. Configure video and bitrate settings. For a smooth stream, use these recommended settings. Resolution 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720 for lower-end PCs. FPS 60 or 30 FPS. Bitrate 1080p at 60 FPS. Encoder NVENC or NVIDIA GPU or X24 CPU. Add your sources, gameplay, webcam, overlays. In OBS, go to Sources, bottom panel. Click plus to add sources like Display Capture for full screen gameplay, Game Capture for specific games, Video Capture Device for webcam, Browser Source for alerts like Streamlabs or Stream Elements. Start streaming. Click Start Streaming in OBS. Go to kick.com/your username to see your live stream. And that's everything you need to know about how to stream on Kick with OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.